Easter eggs. The children find Easter eggs in the garden. Chocolate egg. He eats a chocolate egg. Basket. The basket is full of Easter eggs. Bonnet. She wears an Easter bonnet. Decorations. The table has Easter decorations. Ribbon. The chocolate egg has a yellow ribbon. Rabbit. The rabbit is in the garden. Chick. The chick is yellow. Hen. The hen walks in the yard. Lamb. The lamb stands in the field. Sheep. The sheep eats grass. Duckling. The duckling swims in the pond. Chocolate. The man eats chocolate. Hot cross bun. She eats a hot cross bun. Carrot. The rabbit eats a carrot. Tulip. The tulip is red. Daffodil. The daffodil grows in spring. Lily. The lily is white. Nest. The eggs are in the nest. Grass. The rabbit sits on the grass. Garden. The flowers grow in the garden. Easter egg hunt. The children do an Easter egg hunt. Church. The family goes to church. Cross. The cross is in the church. Jesus. Christians remember Jesus at Easter. Bible. She reads the Bible. Candle. The candle is on the table. Easter bunny. The Easter bunny brings Easter eggs. Happy Easter. People say, Happy Easter. Let's practice. What is this? Chick. What is this? Church. What is this? Chocolate egg. Quick review. Easter eggs. chocolate egg, basket, bonnet, decorations, ribbon, rabbit, chick, hen, lamb, sheep, duckling, chocolate, hot cross bun, carrot, tulip, daffodil, lily, nest, grass, garden, Easter egg hunt, church, cross, Jesus, Bible, candle, Easter bunny, Happy Easter. Great job! You have practiced 29 Easter words. You can continue practicing with more English vocabulary lessons on the channel.